Okay, go.
In this video, we're going to summarize the digestive activities of the large intestine. Okay, so we've pretty much finished nutrient digestion as far as what we as humans are going to get from the content of the food that we've consumed. Okay, so as the chyme is coming from the small intestine, from the ileum, into the large intestine, it's not going to be devoid of nutrients, but it's going to contain nutrients that either have chemical bonds that we can't digest, or maybe some things that we didn't have adequate time to digest. Okay, so there is still nutrient content, but once it gets into the large intestine, we're not going to be harvesting the organic molecules anymore. The microbiome that lives in our large intestine, that collection of different microbes that lives in there, are really going to be getting their nutrient content from there. Okay, so we've got a watery mixture that's going to be coming in as chyme to the large intestine. What's going to happen to that watery mixture as it moves through the large intestine is there's going to be some absorption from it of minerals, vitamins, and water, and maybe some other substances, bilirubin, etc. Or excuse me, I should say biosalts. But the majority of the processing of that food material has been completed by this point. Okay, so that processing that we're going to do in the large intestine is going to convert the chyme that entered the large intestine into fecal material. Okay, and that fecal material is going to collect here in the rectum. Okay, and as it moves through, there will be different sets of movements that will be coordinated, what are referred to as mass movements, that will occur periodically throughout a 24-hour period that will ultimately move the fecal material toward the distal end of the large intestine. When there's enough pressure in the rectum, this will be a stimulus for the individual to perform defecation, which is the last step of the digestive process and our final digestive activity, and this will allow the material to be eliminated through the anal opening. And that concludes this video.